Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will review the ISUZU D-Max LS 4x4 manual 3.0 liters. Let's start with the front exterior. Headlamps. Bi-LED projector, auto leveling, daytime running light LED type. Follow me home. Headlamp battery saver, auto on and off. LED fog lamps. Chrome radiator grille, body color energy absorb bumper. Wheel and tires are 18 all-terrain, silver. Front suspension, double wishbone coil spring with high-mounted upper control arm and stabilizer. Rear suspension, long span semi-elliptical soft ride leaf spring. Side view mirrors, power adjust and fold with integrated side turn lamp. Ground clearance, 240 millimeters and gross vehicle weight, 2,600 kilograms. Chrome door handle. Four-wheel drive control. Transfer control switch. Aluminum rear drive shaft. E-differential lock. Rear bumper. Two-step integrated type. Body color. Rear combination lamp. Double LED with light guide. Emergency stop signal. Rear fog lamp. Parking aid rear. 4eye with rear view camera. Rear and side assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert. Equipped with bedliner. Dimensions, 1,495 millimeters in length, 1,524 millimeters in width and 450 millimeters in height. With rear defogger. Roof rail up to 100 kilograms capacity. With wide front compartment and cup holder. Classy leather dashboard. Middle compartment. With black fabric seats. Bucket seat with anti-vibration elastic comfort foam. 60/40 split folding seats with whiplash protection headrest. USB port and rear ventilation. Fully automated panel. 10.1-inch full touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, auxiliary in and USB. Navigation system equipped and clinometer equipped. 6-speaker system. 6-speed manual with reverse lockout. Brake override system, anti-lock brake system, electronic brake force distribution, brake assist, electronic stability control, traction control system, hill start assist, hill descent control. Leather steering wheel. Electroluminescent with 4.2 inches multi-information display. Audio, phone and voice control switch and multi-information display switch. Engine model 4J3TCX 4-cylinder inline blue power diesel engine with turbo intercooler. Semi-midship weight distribution with 190 maximum power and 450 Nm of torque. 76 liters fuel tank capacity.